Yeah, look at all these dirt bikes. We're going off-roading. What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are in Lewis Beach, Delaware, and we're going to be doing an awesome, huge group ride with, look at all these dirt bikes we got here. We also got, oh my God, Bomber Mars, 100-mile-an-hour Bandit is here. We got Mike Feedy on the first ride with us. And there's Mike Feedy's Talaria XXX. Thing's sick. Holy crap, we got another Bomber on the ride. Damn, I love that color. Oh, the Denzel Samurai.
Oh, man.
Oh, snap.
No, this is a VMX08.
Oh. Wow, that's so cool.
It's all the same frame, though, and everything.
I like how this ride is like, we got dirt bikes, bombers, regular bikes. Dude, that thing is sick.
It looks sick.
Can I try that thing?
Yeah, go ahead, man.
Awesome, dude. It's lighter than I thought it was going to be picking it up. Oh, yeah. Feels different. Oh, and check out the display up here. Wow. This thing's got a little bit of power. Yeah, it felt nice. It felt smooth, yeah.
Got a good smooth ride to it. Got a little pep to it.
Wow.
It's got a wheelbase in the SurRon.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see if it gets a Bomber Marv seal of approval. What'd you think about that one?
Very smooth.
Awesome. You brought that on an Audi? That is sick. I love the color on that.
Thank you. Ed.
Ed, I'm Shreddy. Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to finally meet you.
So what we got? The BAC 8000, Warp 9 rims, the Shinko 241s on the front. Totally awesomely painted frame over here. That's awesome. I got to know about these. Let me know what you think on the ride.
I'm a big fan.
Yeah, you like them? I just bought this one freaking Magura MT7 for my rear brake.
Oh, yeah?
You got the GLE one? 8000?
Yeah.
So GLE is using the new thumb throttles on this. These are their old thumb throttles that they're using. Yeah, this is what they used to use, GLE. If you guys are interested in a GLE, BAC 8000 or 4000, I do got a $100 off code I'll throw on the screen now, and I got 5% off all the other products I'll slap on the screen now. I haven't ridden that frame extender yet. I've ridden the EBMX one. That's so high.
I like it, though.
My short ass. Oh! Hell yeah. And then regen thumb throttle. I gotta say, I like the old style better because I feel like with this one, I'm kind of like reaching for it. With the other one, my thumb's already there and kind of just ready to go and I don't accidentally hit it.
You can adjust it to different places.
Oh, can you have it like underneath? Yeah, that's where I'd want it, like deep there, yeah. This thing has a top speed of 100 miles an hour. This is the fastest Bandit in the world. Pretty much one of the fastest electric bikes in the world. Hey, Marv, can we get this on?
No, it doesn't work. Trey, don't kill yourself. We know how you are. Remember, it doesn't turn.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God. Oh. Wow, this bike feels smooth. That's what I love about these motors is that they're so quiet. Damn, Marv, it feels so smooth. We've got so many sick ass bikes on this ride, dude.
What's up, Shreddy?
What's up? Still on the RX?
Yeah, still in the RX. Still Mr. Stock.
Damn, this thing is sick.
How you doing?
This is yours?
Yeah.
What's going on, brother? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Comment down below. Let me know, out of all the bikes you see here today, which one's your favorite so far? And guys, don't forget, my SurRon is powered by the Gladiator battery by Shive Battery Systems. If you guys are interested, check out that link down below. Use code SHREDDY, 5% off your order. On your left, 9 more behind us. You wanna hear something funny? I've been in that caboose. We got to chill on that thing, it was so neat. So this is pretty much like the first high-powered e-bike group ride here in Lewis. We're about to hit up some trails with some jumps. I can't wait to see these guys rocking these jumps around here. This is awesome. All right, guys, we moved to chin mount. So we do have a magnetic mount that goes from chest to chin on a hot swap. They're called snap mounts. I'll throw a link down below if you guys are interested in this. Yeah, somebody called the cops on us. Yeah, that's what he said. So today we're definitely getting the most stairs I've ever felt in my entire life. Like 8 or 9 more behind me. Oh my goodness, this is so relaxing out here, guys. Can't wait till the fall rides. Those are really like where you can open it up back here and not have to worry about people on the trails calling the cops on you for nothing. Off-road trail. Watch out for ticks. I'm always scaring somebody about damn ticks. Hit it. Yeah. Let's go. I think there's a big jump back this way. This is the real jump right here. Let's go! That was a really good jump, like seriously.
Not really. That jump would be good if it was like 5 feet longer.
I'm glad we're doing this. This is so much fun. All right, after an hour of having fun, doing little jumps, chilling, talking, back on the trail, biscuit's already hurting. I definitely need a new seat. Check for ticks whenever we can. My butt hurts already though.
Mine does too.
You ever get the little pimples after riding so long and the shaping it?
Little antibiotic cream up there. Honestly.
Shaping.
Really? You think?
It's called folliculitis.
You lead the way.
Guys, can we get a picture of you as a group? Like, we've never had this many.
I don't know. You gotta report us?
No, why? Is this not illegal?
No, it's not legal.
I'm like, this is so cool. I'm like, there's never been this many people like here at one time.
There you go.
Little did we know she's reporting us.
She's the one that called the cops.
What do we call you guys?
Damn, that thing is so quiet and fast. Wow. If you guys enjoy these high-speed electric bike videos, definitely drop a comment down below. And what's your favorite bike on the channel? What's your favorite bike on this ride?
This bike in Delaware.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. She's like, you guys gotta stop at stop signs.
Actually, technically we don't.
We're Rehoboth Beach, everybody. That person jumped right out in front of him.
Gang is called the Silent Terror.
Silent terror.
You can't hear us coming.
Sounds like a fart. Silent terror. Coming soon. Guys, if you're enjoying the content up until now, definitely don't forget to drop a like, and I want to thank all the Shredhead members. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the Shredhead member community. If you guys want to join, sign up down below. It's $5 a month. You get videos a few days earlier. Also get shout outs at the end of the videos. So right now, guys, I'm only running 6,500 watts for most of this ride. I can swap out to 10 kilowatts whenever I want, but we'll see if we're gonna swap out.
Where did you guys go?
We just had to stop because Marv had to tighten something up. He didn't check his nuts before the ride.
We all know how that happens.
1 electric dirt bike, 2 electric dirt bike, 3 electric, So many little pit stops. Holy crap. Crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed those expo videos, and let me know which one of those top 3 best E-Motos that I rode on that last. Oh my god! Oh, bro, he was going like 90 miles an hour. What the hell was that? Let's go, Feedy. Oh shit! My phone! Is the screen okay? Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so glad nobody ran my phone over. Beautiful view out here, guys. Under the bridge downtown. Dude, my butt hurts so bad. You guys race? Did you win?
So initially I'm pulling on him, and then he gets to his top speed, and then he's like...
Everybody say hi to Dee Dee. She came here to take pictures of us. She's the best. We're gonna go check out a trail, come back, charge, eat. Group rides are find this place, stop, hang out, talk about your bikes for another hour. Burn them up. Whoa, bro. It's mad sandy, so take it easy. Bomber Marv ripped through this somehow on moto tires. I don't know how. I think I'm kind of used to riding through this stuff now. Ow. Ooh. Felt something like hit my shoulder. I know Bomber Marv is ripping. Oh my God. Gets crazy here. This is where Paltima fell. Yeah, I almost slipped too. So badass back here. I know somebody has a tick on them. Oh, it's getting thick. Getting thick. Damn, Trail, you thick. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. It is growing in. And I am putting my feet up for ticks. Screw you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm not touching the girl. Oh crap, this is definitely tick city back here, guys. Oh no, oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? I made it! Wow. Matt hit a tree. That's awesome. Everybody caught that. Did you catch that on the video?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
I was like, why am I hearing nobody anymore? I like, went back and he's like, I was really good. He's like, yeah, I hit a tree.
You whipped around the corner, went between the trees.
I went between
and
them.
I'm like, I was going wide at this point. And the pine needles.
We were going fast. So you actually hit it?
Like my whole bike, my bash guard hit the tree and I was on the ground. Like I hit the tree sideways.
How was everybody riding through the tick infestations?
Dude, I'm surprised you came.
I'm so scared. Dude, my feet were up here.
Zoom. Look at this. They're definitely ticks.
Oh my god.
Hey, everybody, they are ticks. 100%.
Yo, we need to go home and shower.
Ticks. Like one on my leg right there.
Damn, I hate ticks so much. I hate ticks so much. You know I hate ticks so much.
And you directed us back here, Shreddy.
I'm sorry, but this I'm sorry. I feel bad.
Thanks, Eddie.
Oh, sorry. We came this way? Maybe this way is less shit. The bridge! Yeah, maybe we should have taken this way here. Okay, I'm glad we went this way. I think we're good. This is beautiful, guys. Man, I feel bad. Everybody has like 1,000 ticks on them, like little miniature, like the smallest ticks I've ever seen, guys. We might be safer this way, I think. We're good, we're good. So far, so good. This is a safe way out. You didn't pick your feet up at all through that shit?
No, I didn't think about it. I was ripping it. I was like having fun, and you guys are finding ticks.
Are they all over?
Yeah, they're all over.
Oh my god.
Brown dots.
All right, guys, we're about to grub down. We actually found places to charge for all these bikes. Some buffalo chicken tacos. They look so good.
Like when you step, you were on a bridge. And it was like a
Destroyed.
Do we have power? Can we find and unplug sensors? Unplug brake sensors? Just start unplugging sensors. I mean, maybe it still thinks the brake sensor's on, or...
Let's look it up on the Googles.
There it is. So it was a brake cutoff on your left. Brake sensor it is.
Yeah, you're my hero. Cool. So you guys just all meet, then you just ride wherever.
Yeah, everybody's from everywhere. Yeah.
Your guy went down.
Oh no, your husband went down.
Uh-oh.
His bike fell.
Down?
Yeah, he fell.
This is like the second time.
He probably wouldn't do good with these yet, huh?
Yeah, we just got these.
Oh, you got them.
That's so awesome. Are you okay? They said you worked out.
I might have got it on camera.
Wipe out. So yeah, they're
He's like, I did.
They go out and ride around. That's so cool. I love it.
That's where I went out.
You just fell on that one.
Oh, I can ride.
Really? Hell yeah, get it.
Are there gears on this?
No gears. Let's go. Yo, he's ripping on it. Let's go. I see you.
I've done this before.
Heck yeah. Uh-huh. Hell yeah, we're giving people new experiences, right? That's what it's all about. All right, let's hope everybody's still with us. We're good. Let's go. Jesus Christ, Jesus. Monkey see, monkey do, guys. I don't know. Jeez, who would have thought we'd be doing high-level speed rides with all these electric dirt bikes, guys? I don't know why I'm so hyped about this, but it's so freaking awesome. Yo, watch your traffic. Watch your left. Stock Talaria XXX versus stock SurRon. Looks like the XXX took off. Wow. Guys, my biscuits are so done already. Side saddle. Damn, you guys already been chilling.
On Memorial,
Yeah.
I was like, oh, he's passing somebody, and then it was like, he was this big.
Crazy, dude.
The dude was like, oh, it's a gang.
He said he hit 91.
Are you serious? Look, top speed right there, 91 max right there. A lot of cool ass bikes on this group ride. Cool ass people. What do you got going on with your build?
I built the batteries to 72 volt, 40 amp hour. I got 100 amp BMS on the battery. Controller is 100 amp. The motor is 5,000 watts. So I can get up to like 60 miles per hour. The best part is,
No way.
then I got the hazards.
Wow.
And then I got like left.
Those are dope.
Right.
I've never seen these before.
KR e-bikes.
KR e-bikes, guys. I'm gonna try this thing out. This.
Subscribe to my
Ooh.
channel.
You can actually pedal this thing. No way. Oh, it's so smooth. It doesn't have like the crazy like takeoff, but I'm sure he can tune that. The Supermoto tires, man, that feel is so cool, guys. I love these direct drive hub motors. They're so smooth and silent. Hell yeah, bro. This thing is sick. Dude, thanks so much for letting me ride that shit. I appreciate it, brother. Drive safe, brother. Nothing.
Would you look at that?
We are out of here. All right, I gotta. Damn, that sunset looks sick. That's the most beautiful view ever. People are loving it.
Yo, we got another problem. This bike just died.
I got a towie. Who wants a towie? I don't want a towie.
I can push you on your back.
Yeah, Bomber Marv with like a 50-mile-an-hour tow, guys. Look at this, guys. Insanity. Insane. I think rips. It's so smooth. This is the freaking future. Dude, he's going like 50. Say no to traffic, guys. Ride an e-bike. Let's get it. Bomber Marv kept going. His arm's gonna be so beast when he gets back, like, brother. Bomber Marv, you're the best, dude. What a ride, guys. If you enjoyed that, definitely don't forget to drop a like. Drop a like for Bomber Marv's tow service at 50 miles an hour. That was amazing.
We made it.
I cannot believe how
I was
fast
probably dead.
Bomber Marv beat us here. That's crazy. Can't believe that. I don't want to tow anybody, but I got it. Thank you for coming on the ride, brother. I appreciate it. E-Bike Bliss, we love you, brother.
Pleasure.
Thanks for coming, brother. Thanks for coming, brother. Thanks for coming.
All right, brother.
Man, thanks for coming, brother. That was awesome. Mike Feedy's first big group ride. Thank you for coming, brother. That was a lot of fun. We love you, brother. I'm glad we got you home, bro. That was awesome. As always, if you guys want to support the channel, check out all those links down below. Check out the link for the Chai Gladiator battery. Check out that link for the GLE BAC 4000. Use code SHREDDY for both. Get 5% off your order. Hell yeah. That was awesome. All right, guys, that's going to be the end of that video. If you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next group ride.